Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click the View tab and go into Command Palette, and from here what we're going to do is type in Flutter New Project, okay? So we're going to call this project cat versus dog, and we're going to find a directory to save it in. I'm going to save it in my deep learning directory, so I'll do that. But while everything initializes, I'm going to show you guys this resource called Teachable Machine. And pretty much what you can do with this is you can run in-browser neural networks. So you can train your neural networks inside your browser. The only thing is with this is that it runs off of CPU. And as you can see, you can train a computer to recognize your own images, sounds, and poses. It's a fast and easy way to create machine learning models for your sites, apps, and more. No expertise or coding required. So there's a video here if you want to watch it. It's pretty simple software to use. I mean, you can use sounds, you can detect poses, and you can detect or classify images. So pretty much all you have to do is gather the data set, train the neural network, and then export it. And this exports a file of lite. And with this lite file, what you can do is use it in your Flutter application using TensorFlow Lite. And so yeah, I'll show you guys how to use it later on in this course. But for now, let's just set up our pubspec.yaml file, which holds all of our dependencies for this project. So the first dependency that we're going to require is image picker. So I'm going to write image picker, and the version that we want is 0.6.7 plus 4. And the next dependency that we're going to require is lite, and the version we're going to need is 1.1.1. And finally, I'm going to get the splash screen dependency, and I'm just going to leave it empty, and it's going to get the latest version for us. Now, this is all we need for the dependencies for this project. Now, I'm going to go into my main.dart file, and I'm going to delete this all of the parameters inside my material app widget, and I'm going to delete this entire class. I don't need this. So that's it for setting up the project. Now in the next lecture, what we're going to do is we're going to set some parameters for this widget, and we're going to build the splash screen. So I'll see you guys there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys.